video, I'm going to show you how you can get your tax identification number for free without having to pay anyone. You don't need a CAC number to register for your TIN. Yes, on Facebook. Remember, TIN is different from NIN. When I mean TIN, I mean tax identification number. Don't mistook it or mismatch it with NIN. They are two different things. So watch this video to the end and don't skip any part of this video, because in this video I'm going to walk you through step by steps on how you can get your NIN within 30 minutes. Yes guys, I did it and it worked for me. I just want to state some little things before I go straight to the video. Before you apply for your TIN number, make sure that the details you have matches with the one you have on your BVN. Yes. So if your details there do not match, I think you have only 4 chances to try it. And after that chances, your BVN will be blocked on the site. So just make sure that the details you have is the matches with your BVN. If you don't know the kind of details you fill it on your BVN, you just need to know it first before you proceed in filling for your TIN number. I hope I'm making sense, guys. So if this is your first time of coming across my page, you're welcome. Do it to like the video. Follow this page for more tips like those, guys. Without wasting much time, let's get started, guys. This is a simple tutorial on how you can get your TIN number for Facebook monetization. So just go ahead to my Chrome browser and I'm just gonna type JBT website. It has already popped up, so you click on the first one. After clicking on the first one, you see an option like this. Do you want to create things for individuals? Non-individuals means that is a company store, a business store. Then individual means you're for your personal use and you need your NIN and your BVN. So you see this place, click here. So that's where I'm going to click. After clicking on that, you'll be asked to fill in your details, your BVN, your date of birth, your first name and your surname. Let me just fill. So after showing this, just click on next to continue. So when you click on next, you are just going to fill in these details. So I'll just so I'm just going to fill in those details. It's just your personal store, title. I'll just click on Miss, or middle name, edit, gender female, place of birth, my village, marital status single. I'm just gonna put email address, date of resident Akwa Ibom, local government is Reform, city Uyo, street village, house number 1, occupation teacher, phone number 1. So after filling this detail, you are just going to click on choose file to upload the picture. So that's your passport, and after that, just make sure you go through everything here one by one to make sure everything is in place and is in order. House number, street. So after filling everything and cross-checking, just click on submit. Please select state of origin. State of origin. So I've clicked on that. So let's submit. Then request submitted successfully. Request ID. They'll send you a request ID. Let me click on OK. So let's wait. So get our team, I mean. Guys, let's wait for our team to come. Okay, guys. Jesus, like it's not even up to a 30 minutes. Should I say 2 seconds? Guys, I received a notification with my other phone. So check the time. This 5:49 or okay 5:50 now. So I'm going to record half of the video there and I will join it together for you to see the time I received my TIN number. So let's check. I just saw a notification. This is the address. This because it's actually for okay. I've clicked here. Can you see? Teen request creation notice. This five and they sent this me like 5:48. The time I submitted it, I was like, let me just wait for like 30 minutes. It wasn't up like it wasn't even up to 30 minutes. I was able to get check this message. Your individual team creation request has been submitted successfully. Below is your request ID. This is the ID, guys. It does not even take time. So guys, here comes the end of this video. Please do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow this page for more tips like this. Like this video, leave your comment in the comment section, and if there's anything you want me to make a video on, guys, I will do just that. I'm at your service. Bye. See you in my next video. Like this is pretty nice.